Hey, Dewy.McDonald here, Guaranty RV. Got just a brand new 2020. It's an 811, so it's a short box camper for a 3/4 ton. So come on inside and let's take a peek. So Northwood is the manufacturer, built out of La Grande, Oregon, Arctic Fox. So you walk in here, you got your big bathroom there with a tall ceiling there, so big guy can get in here. Here's your slide out on this side with your bench here. It turns into a bed, storage on both sides. Nor cold, refrigerator, freezer there. On that side, spice rack there. You got it covered, you know, through the window right there. LEDs above us, air conditioning, speakers. You got your big farm style stainless steel sink with a nice cutting board right there. Cabinets below and above, storage. Got stainless steel microwave, fan hood, 3-burner gas oven. Comes all your panels, controls here, touch screen. You got your solar up on the roof. It's a trickle charger for the batteries. Above us here we have the TVs. You got storage on both sides. You got a hanging closet there. You got LEDs above you there. You got USB ports to charge your phone. Nice queen size mattress. Skylight above you with a cover. Skylight here with a cover. A lot of room in this camper. For, like I said, for a short box camper, it's got tons of room. So let's go outside and take a peek out here. So the short box 811 gets you the generator right there, pre-wired for gas barbecue right here too. And then the nice thing about these, this lifts up like if you're going to tow a boat. Fox lighting that folds up there. But your controls right here, so you can put your slide out in, your lights right there when you open up the door. So you got electric awning out the back, LEDs, electric port there, here's access to your plumbing in there. So electric auto leveling jacks. So you got the big propane tanks, and look at the bolts in here. I mean, you got solid big tanks on this for a camper. You got your battery here, access to more plumbing. There's storage. You got your plug-in for power, little satellite cable. There's an auxiliary shower for outdoor. So same again, look at the bolts there. I mean, they're just made solid. This is the one they advertised, 32 people standing on the roof. Extra thick aluminum. Slide outs on that side with storage. Got the bumpers in here to bump against the truck. One of our top selling campers, like I said, made for a short box. So you're looking for a camper, toy haulers, fifth wheels, we carry them all here. Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.